you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, man? What you got running in here?
4 NSV6 15s on 2 Team 10Ks.
Ooh, got plenty of power in there. You the NSV6, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go a little lower. Yeah, you got it. There goes the window up. The highs it likes window up, lows down.
Oh, okay. How to let it up?
Oh, you want to go up?
I mean, would it blow in the wind? If you let this wind?
Oh no,
let it down, let it down.
Either way.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, all right.
Yeah, with the highs up, with the, lows, with the lows down.
Okay, cool.
What you said, what you did, cause I'm bubbling, you think I'm a scientist. Early morning, I just came up with a hypothesis. Street drop, keep rock, you be re-rocking it. Even when I take a shower, I'm gonna take so my window tint in the front, don't get offended. Been one case since the beginning. It ain't personal, it's business. If I said it, bitch, I mean it. MTV, this how I'm living. What you see?
set, right? Yeah. That's outrageous, man. Yeah, man. You on social media anywhere they can find you at?
I don't really use it much. I'm Facebook, Dr. Sprinkle.
Okay, y'all be sure to give them a follow and try to tag them below. That's good seeing you, man. Thank you, man. Man.
Raggedy.
I ain't hitting right there, boy. That's hitting right there, man.
I want you video.
Appreciate it, man. Thanks, Kevin, man. Well, you already know. Yeah. I ain't hitting right there, man.
Yeah, he just put this together.
Oh, they ain't been together long?
No. Sundown 2 years ago, this had 3.1s in it. On 2 teraamp base 8 gauge. Now it's got the...
So he redid the whole thing?
Oh yeah, took everything out, redid the whole thing.
You can't even tell.
Nope.
It look clean in there.
Yeah, he did a good job on it.
Y'all drove it over here, y'all the trailer?
Trailer, our trucks over there.
Dang, heavy.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Y'all had to come through the mountains and everything?
Yeah, we came up 40. Yeah, he lives in Greer, South Carolina.
Oh, okay, y'all did a good little ride.
I live all the way in Liberty, like Clemson area in South Carolina.
Okay, so y'all were about 5 down?
Yeah. You stay around this?
No, in West Tennessee.
West Tennessee?
Yeah, about 5 or 6, yeah. It ain't no big.
You got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.